All right, everyone, I am here today to give you a look at some Auburn colors since we are in Auburn season. And I've gotten a couple of questions about how TressAllure Sugar Brulee compares to TressAllure Dark Amber HL. And I've also got questions about how Sugar Brulee compares to Jewels by Henry Margu. So I thought I'd show you all three of these together. I have shown some of these in another comparison video, but I thought I'd do another one as I just get better at these and look to perfect them. So you might see some repeats, but I don't think we can ever get enough color videos, and I hope you agree because color is so hard. So from left to right, starting over here, we've got Henry Margu Jewels in the color 82733H. You will find all of this in the description. Next to Jewels in the middle, we have TressAllure Shayna in the color Sugar Brulee. And next to Shayna, we have TressAllure Charlotte in the color Dark Amber HL. So I'm going to show you some comparisons of the colors and just kind of talk about what I see are the major differences. And hopefully this will help you as you're looking at colors and maybe considering some auburns, some light auburns. I would call these more light auburns for the fall season. All right, so here we go. So first of all, I will tell you, and I'll take the camera off and I'll give you some close-ups, but I would tell you that 82733H, so the Jewels over here, right over here, is very similar to Sugar Brulee right here. And then Charlotte has definitely got darker tones, more auburn, and doesn't have as many overall highlights, except in the front, which I think you can really see. So before I move on and show you these more up close, I just want to give a shout out to a number of wig sisters who helped me make this video possible because they donated these mannequin heads to me. And so my goal is to try to do some more color comparisons, and these work much better with my camera than the white styrofoam heads. I am indoors right now and I've tried very hard to get my lighting set right. This has taken me quite a while of trial and error, but I really want to make sure I can bring these to you in the winter, which it isn't right now, but it's not nice outside right now. And so I'm going to have to be able to film these inside. So, all right, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to get you some close-ups. So hold on. Okay, so I'm going to start here with the Sugar Brulee and the Dark Amber HL because these are both TressAllure colors, and it's likely that you might be looking at a style by TressAllure and you have these two colors as choices. So as you can see, they are very, they're tonally somewhat the same with kind of an auburny hue to it, but they're definitely different as far as depth of color goes. So you've got Charlotte right here, and it's just very much more auburn. It's a lot richer in color and doesn't have the highlighting, as you can see. And so if you're looking for something just really rich and warm, I definitely think Dark Amber HL is a great color. It isn't super dark. So if you find yourself, let's say you've tried maybe John Renault Toffee Truffle, which is kind of it's a lot darker than this one. If you've tried maybe an 8 brunette, I would say this is probably more like between an 8 and a 10 in darkness. And so it's definitely not too dark. I'm going to pick up my camera here. And I'm just gonna, so the light's gonna glare just a little bit, but I really want you to see what I'm talking about. Look at the richness of color. You can just see that difference. Whereas the Sugar Brulee, which is the one on the left, definitely is lighter. It has what I would classify as somewhat blonde highlights in it. Whereas, let me put it down now because I know the camera shakes when I do that. Whereas the Dark Amber HL, really, the only highlights that are super visible are right there in the front. You can see that. That's really kind of where the highlights are mainly. And so definitely for my wig sisters who don't want a lot of strong highlights, I would say dark amber is great. It definitely pulls red. I can't describe the richness to the color and the warmth. It's so, so rich and beautiful. Whereas Shayna, let me get up there on Shayna, has some ashy tones to her. She's warm. And you can see they both have that rooting. I mean, Shayna is definitely not an ashy, or I'm sorry, Sugar Brulee is definitely not an ashy color. But it's got some kind of ashy tones to it in those highlights. And so it's definitely less deep and warm than Dark Amber HL. And now, if we go over here and we compare 82733H to Sugar Brulee, they're much closer. I would almost say that the 82733H is in between the two colors. It definitely has some of the warm, darker tones that Dark Amber HL has, but it also has the lighter highlights, which you see in Sugar Brulee. It's just slightly darker. And it doesn't have, if I can get over the top here, it doesn't have that dark root. So you might be wanting something that's has less of a rooting effect, and you're definitely going to get that in the 82733H. So let me pause real quickly and let me put the Dark Amber HL and the 82733H next to each other. Okay, so here they are right next to each other. So on the left, you have the Jewels by Henry Margu and 82733H, and then you've got the Charlotte by TressAllure in Dark Amber HL. And so you can see Charlotte again is much richer, deeper, but I would say that they've got some similar tones to them as well. So minus the rooting, and in the Dark Amber HL, minus those stronger highlights that you might see in the Jewels and the 82733H. The H really does stand for highlight. Trying to give you a sense there. So hopefully that kind of helps a little bit. It just kind of brings out some of those colors. I'll throw some pictures on to the end so that you can see them in pictures on me. But overall, I definitely think these are beautiful fall auburns if you're looking for more of a medium to light auburn and you don't want to go too dark. One more look of them all together. Okay, so I mixed them up again just so that you can get a different kind of order. So again, we've got that 82733H over here. That's the Jewels by Henry Margu. I've put the Dark Amber HL on Charlotte in the middle, and now we've got our Sugar Brulee over here on the end, so that you can again kind of see how similar those Sugar Brulee and 82733H really look to each other. And when they're separated, I think you can see that somewhat, that you can kind of tell it sort of looks like bookends of similar color. One more look at the top. All right, everyone, let me know how this worked for you guys. Did this help or not? Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.